Once upon a time in the hidden heart of France, a handsome young prince.
It's time.
He taxed the village to fill his castle with the most beautiful objects.
What a display! What a breathtaking, thrilling array!
Repulsed by her haggard appearance, the prince turned the woman away. When he dismissed her again, the old woman's outward appearance melted away. The prince begged for forgiveness, but it was too late. As punishment, she transformed him into a hideous beast. But the rose she had offered was truly an enchanted rose.
Bonjour!
Bonjour!
Good morning, Belle.
Good morning, Monsieur Jean.
Look, there she goes, that girl is strange, no question.
Bonjour, good day. How is your family?
Now it's no wonder that her name means beauty.
Monsieur Gaston! Oh, he's so cute!
It's never gonna happen, ladies.
10 yards!
Excuse me. I'll get the knife.
There she goes, that girl is strange but special. A beauty but a funny girl, she really is a funny girl.
Wonderful book you have there.
Have you read it?
Well, not that one. It's outrageously attractive, isn't it?
Bye, Papa.
Goodbye, Belle. Come on, Philippe.
Stay safe.
What are you doing?
The laundry.
The dark wood.
Forgive my intrusion, mademoiselle. Hello.
You can talk.
Well, of course he can talk. It's all he ever does.
You must forgive first impressions. I hope you are not too startled.
Why would I be startled?
Whippies to the east wing.
Or, as I like to call it, the only wing. Welcome to your new home. It's modest but comfortable.
It's beautiful.
Don't worry, I'll have this place spotless in no time.
We have someone for you to dress.
Oh, finally.
Send my love to the maestro.
Picture it, LeFou. Rustic cabin. My latest kill roasting on the fire.
You know, there are other girls. No man in town as admired as you. You're everyone's favorite guy.
Perfect, a pure paragon.
I needed encouragement.
Lights like Gaston, dancing lights like Gaston.
Please, someone. My daughter's life is in danger. Why do you laugh? It's not a joke. The beast is real.
Everybody, stop making fun of this man at once.
Mama, there's a girl in the castle.
Yes, Chip, we know.
Oh. That's the most ridiculous idea I've ever heard. Charm the prisoner.
But you must try, master. Come, show me the smile. Oh, no.
I told you to join me for dinner!
And I told you no!
If she doesn't eat with me, then she doesn't eat at all! Show me the girl.
I'm getting more metallic every day.
Am I ever going to be a boy again?
Oh, yes, Chip, you'll have your days in the sun again. Oh, aren't you a vision? Slowly now, Chip. That was a very brave thing you did for your father, dearie. Things will turn out in the end. You'll feel a lot better after dinner.
They're coming! Final checks, everyone! They must fall in love if we are to be human again, and how can they fall in love if she stays in our room? I have no taste buds, but I can tell this is exquisite. Maestro Cadenza, are you ready? Maestro, your wife is upstairs, finding it harder and harder to stay awake.
There you are, dear.
And now, we invite you to relax. Your dinner. Tie your napkin round your neck, Sherry, and we'll provide the rest. Be our guest, we are guest, be our guest. Hey, you're alone and you're scared, but the banquet's all prepared. Be our guest, be our guest.
It's a guest, it's a guest. Sakes alive, well, I'll be blessed. For you are guest.
She's our guest.
She's our guest.
She's our guest.
Be our guest.
We aim to believe while that candlelight's still glowing. Cause one by one, be our guest. Be our guest. Be our guest. Pudding?
The master's not as terrible as he appears. Never you mind about that. Off to bed with you, Poppet.
Good night.
Nighty-night.
What did you do to it?
Nothing.
Do you realize what you could have done? You could have damned us all! Get out of here! No, you cheated again!
Mademoiselle, what are you doing?
Getting out!
No, no, no! Please don't go. It's dangerous.
Do you hear those wolves? That means we're getting very close to the castle. It was downed by lightning at the time, but now it's... Oh. No, it's...
No such things as beasts, or talking teacups, or magic. So why don't we just turn around, go back to Villeneuve? Let's go home.
Belle is not at home. You will never marry my daughter.
Once the wolves have finished with him, Belle will have no one to take care of her but me.
care about him so much?
We've looked after him all his life.
Let him sleep.
Days in the sun will come shining through.
I want to help you. There must be some way to break the curse.
Drink.
And
Therefore is winged Cupid painted blind.
Romeo and Juliet's my favourite play.
So many better things to read.
Like what?
If you like it so much, then it's yours. Some of them are in Greek.
Was that a joke? Each branch, each twig, each blade of grass seems clad miraculously with...
I feel as if I'm seeing it for the first time.
Look at me. Come wake me up. There's something sweet and almost kind.
Well, who'd have thought? Well, bless my soul.
Well, who'd have known? Perhaps there's something there that wasn't there before.
What is it? What's there?
I'll tell you when you're older.
We should have a dance tonight. I never imagined she'd actually say yes. What was I thinking? She will never love me.
Do not be discouraged.
Just stop being so nervous and tell Belle how you feel.
Chapeau, brush those teeth. They need it.
Deep, deep. Voila.
Tale as old as time, just a little change. Beauty and the Beast, ever just the same, as the sun will rise. Bittersweet and strange, finding you can change. Certain as the sun, Beauty and the Beast.
I'd almost forgotten the feeling.
My father taught me to dance.
Would you like to see him?
Papa!
You must go to him. No time to waste.
Thank you.
Well, Master, I have had my doubts, but everything is moving like clockwork.
But she might still come back.
No. I set her free.
Come, my love.
This creature will curse us all if we don't stop it! It's time to take some action, boy. Say a prayer, then we're there at the drawbridge of a castle. Hear him roar, see him foam, but we're not coming home till he's dead!
Sally forth, tally ho, grab your sword, grab your bow, praise the Lord, and here we go!
Invaders!
Ruffians!
Well, there you go. We need help.
He let me go, Papa. He sent me back to you. I know what happened to Maman.
I could try to pick the lock. After all, it's only...
I'm so sorry to disturb you.
She's not coming back.
No.
This place seems familiar.
She's very headstrong.
Yes, those are called books, you third-rate musketeers.
Mama! Thank you. You're too good for him anyway. Should we get back to it then?
That's it! Go! Go!
Where is he?
When we return to the village, you will marry me.
Belle!
Gaston!
Don't let me go!
I am not a beast. You came back.
It's gonna be fine. Come back.
Plumette! Oh, my darling Plumette. Amore! No! Don't leave me!
Where is my little boy? I love you.
Madame!
Oh, my prince!
What is it?
How would you feel about growing a beard?